The National Weather Service in Charleston, South Carolina has issued a tornado warning for Berkeley County in northern South Carolina, Colleton County in western South Carolina, and Dorchester County in northwestern South Carolina until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:30 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm that is capable of producing a tornado near Georgetown, or 16 miles west of North Charleston, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. The tornado will leave North Charleston by 10:05 a.m., will reach Wildwood by 10:15 a.m. The safest place to be during a tornado warning is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building, an interior hall or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. Within mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.
Welcome back to some breaking news. Later today, South Carolina was struck by a tornado. Around 25 have died so far and dozens have been injured. It has been said that thousands are without power. The National Weather Service claims that the tornado was a EF3 tornado. Although it is unknown what type of tornado it was.
The National Weather Service in Gastonia has issued a tornado warning for Charlotte County and Mecklenburg County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm that could produce a tornado near Charlotte. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Impacts, damaging winds, large hail, and flying debris. If you are affected, seek shelter, if no shelter is habitable. Stay away from windows, and hide in a basement. Remember, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties: Charlotte and Mecklenburg.
For today, chance of precipitation 20%.
The National Weather Service in Sandy Springs has issued a tornado warning for Fulton County and Atlanta County until 1:15 p.m. At 11:40 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm that could produce a tornado near Reynoldstown, or 16 miles west of Atlanta, moving south at 30 kilometers an hour. This is a life or death situation. Take cover now. Impacts, damaging winds, large hail, and flying debris. Mobile homes and vehicles will be destroyed. Seek shelter in a basement now.
Breaking news. Today, tornadoes in the USA have been ramping up. This has become a mass casualty situation.
Alert ready activation detected.
Alerte activation prête détectée.
At 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for parts of southern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Mississauga, Brantford, Oakville, and Hamilton. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
Tornado warning in effect for Dallas until 2:13 p.m. At 12:56 p.m. 3 large and dangerous EF5 tornadoes are located near Dallas, moving northwest at a rate of 200 miles per hour. This is a mass casualty situation. Take cover now. If you are in the affected area, seek shelter in a basement right now. Stay away from windows. Mobile homes and vehicles are likely to be destroyed. If you are indoors, head to the safest place possible from this tornado. If you are outside, you are in danger. Please call toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.
The National Weather Service in Lexington, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Goshen County and Hot Springs until 10:45 a.m. At 9:50 p.m., a tornado is located over Hot Springs, moving at a rate of 30 kilometers per hour. If you are affected, seek shelter in a basement. If no basement is available, find the safest place possible until the tornado has faded. A tornado advisory is in effect until further notice. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado advisory for Little Rock, Arkansas until further notice. This is a mass panic situation. Take cover immediately. Impacts: flying debris will destroy homes, large hail is likely, and intense rainfall.